Viddictive 2.0 is basically a platform designed for Facebook video marketing. Viddictive 2.0 can be used for various niches such as e-com, local marketing, video SEO, video ads and YouTube ads. It helps you create ads and post on Facebook within a few minutes. One special point you need to know about Viddictive 2.0 is that it can be used for all types of marketers, including newbies. The vendor, Mario Brown, used to start from scratch just like all of us. He understood how hard it is when you have to do everything on your own. So he developed a suite called Viddictive 2.0 to make it easier for starters. There are 3 special features you should know about Viddictive 2.0: templates, customize, quick uploading. Features. As I even have cited, Viddictive helps you to appeal to customers for your commercial enterprise in a more profound way. Here's a precis of the principal functions from Viddictive: an enormous compilation of equipped-made video templates that are professionally designed through professional video makers. These motion pictures are validated to convert, no longer to mention that there may be a wide type of topics in order to select. For example, customers can choose e-commerce, actual estates, services, nearby companies, or style and fashion templates. Fully customizable templates. This way that as soon as you choose a template, you're fully capable of editing its factors, including texts, images and so on. You can also alternate the history soundtracks. Integrate seamlessly with Facebook. Every single commercials built with Viddictive will be routinely shared in your Facebook account. Besides, on the grounds that Viddictive is Facebook's associate, it additionally allows you to behave an entire video advertising campaign. Apply the drag-and-drop era to place photographs in the video editing dashboard, to customize the colors and texts. Provide an automatic platform that assists you through the complete method of video promotions. How does Viddictive work? There are 3 steps which you need to undergo as a way to rebrand the templates with your very own emblem. Select one of the to-be-had templates, then personalize it for your very own taste. Insert a background track. Save and download the video for your computer garage, or upload it immediately to Facebook. Who should buy Viddictive? As long as I'm involved, Viddictive is an excellent choice for individuals who are inquisitive about spicing up your marketing strategies. Instead of the old-school way, this gadget lets you interact your audiences in a much extra intimidating manner. This is also an excellent choice in case you need to end up a video service company. Pros and cons. Pros. Fully applicable to a couple of special niches. Provide an industrial license. Tutorial movies are supplied that will help you harness this platform efficiently. Cons. I have yet to hit upon any large weakness of this platform.